Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will looking at one point perspective. In a previous video, we looked at what are the principles. In a previous video, we looked at the principles of one point perspective. And in another video, we also drew an object in one point perspective. In today's lesson, we'll be drawing a one point perspective drawing, but the circle would be on the other side, the right hand side of the drawing. So in the previous drawing that we drew in one point perspective, the circle was at the top, while in today's class, the circle will be on the side. So it's a different application. So you need to watch this video, okay? So at the end of the video, you will see what the solution would look like. So on the screen, we have three drawings. One is labeled the front elevation, the second one is labeled the plan, and the one on the left is labeled end elevation, right? Now, what I want you to do for me, we're doing one point perspective drawing in today's video, and thanks for joining. What I want you to do, pause the video for about 30 seconds. And I want you to get a sheet of paper and a pencil. Or if you don't have a pencil, use a pen. If you don't have a pen, use a marker, but you have to sketch this before I move on. All right? What I want you to do is to sketch. Here we have a two-dimensional drawing. I want you to sketch what it would look like in 3 dimensions. I want a 3D drawing. So pause the video for as long as you want, but make sure you come back. Yes, I don't want to be on the video by myself. Yes, so make sure you come back. So pause the video and then you come back, and I'm going to show you the solution when you come back. All right, good. All right, welcome back. So again, for those who are just joining us, on the screen, we have the front elevation and plan for an object, right? So I'd ask the persons who are viewing the video to pause the video for about 30 seconds, get a sheet of paper, pencil, a pen, or marker, or crayon, whatever they have to write with, or charcoal, if you're that determined, if you don't have any regular writing equipment and you're determined to participate in the exercise, you can get a charcoal, that thing that they use to provide a fuel source for cooking outside, like if you're barbecuing. Yes. All right, so let me show you the solution now. Here is the solution. Those ears look like this one. Get your paper and let me see. All right, this is a solution. Right? That is the solution. Right? So this is what we'll be drawing in today's class. All right? Right, there it is. This is what we're drawing today, okay? In one point perspective. So stay tuned and we'll be starting the exercise of drawing this object in one point perspective. Thanks for joining. Let's go back to the video. Just to let you know that in my opinion, yes, your instructor might have a different perspective, meaning a different view. But these hidden detail lines, these broken lines, which are called hidden detail lines. And by the way, I made a video yesterday about how you can draw hidden detail lines if you haven't reached that stage of it in your drawing experience. Okay, so perhaps you could look at the video. So what I'm saying is, in a pictorial drawing, which is a three-dimensional drawing, a 3D drawing, these hidden details lines, in my opinion, are not normally shown on a three-dimensional drawing, okay? It's also to put it in there just for the video to help you to visualize it. All right, so let me show you what I mean. I've removed the hidden detail lines. Does it bring clearer clarity to the drawing, what the interpretation of the drawing looks like? So what I'm saying is, without the hidden detail lines, you have a better understanding of the drawing? Yes or no? Yes, no? Yes, no? All right, let us come back and see what it actually look like. See? So I hope that the hidden detail lines make our 1 point perspective a little bit clearer. But as I said, I'm not familiar I'm not accustomed to seeing a three-dimensional drawing, and 1 point perspective is one with the hidden detail lines at the back. I might have seen it maybe once in a blue moon in a textbook, but I don't normally see it in a three-dimensional drawing. Can you guess where I normally see a hidden detail line frequently? I normally see it frequently on a two-dimensional drawing, okay? Like a first angle projection or a third angle projection. All right. So I hope I brought some clarity to the drawing that we're doing today. And then thanks again for joining us. And we know your drawings have been fabulous. And if you are not to the quality that you want, then as you go along with the different videos that we'll be posting on this channel, then your drawings will get superb. Okay, so thanks again for watching. We are now at the end of today's video. So in today's video we're looking at 1 point perspective. So we're given the front elevation, plan and end elevation, and I asked you to sketch what you think the 3D drawing would look like, and I also showed you my 3D drawing. Good job if you got your answer right. For those who didn't, perhaps in the next video, having built up your skills in technical drawing or graphics or engineering drawing, you would have been more settled and focused in the next video. So again, thanks for joining. And in the next video, we'll be looking at triangles. Okay, so hope to see you in the next video. Bye.